Hey guys, Sumatik here. In this video I'm going to show you how we can use the Tantan dating app. Tantan is also sometimes called as the Chinese clone of Tinder. So it has got similar features like Tinder. So I'm going to show you the detailed instructions and guide step-by-step process on how we can use the Tantan app properly. Okay, let's just get started. Okay, I already had an account on Tantan, so I have already logged in. If you don't have account, you can just sign up and then log in after that. So the first and foremost thing in Tantan is that we have got 4 tabs here. You can see at the bottom. First one is Tantan, and second one is Messages, and then third one is Explore, and then the fourth one is Me tab, that is Profile tab. Let's go to the first tab, that is Tantan tab. It means the swiping tab, and we have to see here whether we like the person or not, and then we can swipe right or left. We can access their profile by tapping this I button and then scrolling down and then choose whether we like them or not. So the first tab is quite simple. I don't have to explain more, and I'll not be talking about the Messages tab because it's very simple, everyone knows. So let's go to the third tab directly, that is Explore. And this Explore tab is just like WeChat. We can share photos, videos, and also get feeds from other matches that we have. So we can use this tab to get to know other matches that we have on Tantan. Okay, let's go to the fourth tab, Profile tab. And on this tab here, if you are a new user, then it's very necessary that you have to put your photos. Okay, just tap on this icon at the top left side here, right here, and you'll get a pencil icon at the top right side right here, and you can edit and put photos here. You can see I have put 5 photos, but you can just put 3 to 4 pics, that should be enough. And remember that in every dating app, it's not only for Tantan, you have to put photos that look very good. So good looking photos are the key if you want to get more matches on Tantan. So after you put your photos, you just can edit your bio here. I have put a very simple bio. You can make much creative bio, and you can add personal info here. I have not filled up so much info on my profile, but you can add all these particulars or details and then make your profile very interesting. Okay, after you have filled your profile completely, you can just press on done here, and then it will save your profile just like that. And okay, and if I go back now you can see at the top I have got a blue tick icon with my name. That means my profile has been verified. As a new user, it's very important that you verify your profile so that other people will think that you are an authentic user on Tantan. So just tap on the verify your profile if you haven't verified, and then you can just proceed to the verification process. I have already verified, so I don't need to do anything. Just press on OK here. You can see my profile has been verified. You can just proceed to the verification process. Okay, let's go back. I'm gonna go to the settings now, which is the last part of this video. Settings. With the first option here, location, you can customize your location, but you have to be subscribed with Tantan Premium for that. But there's a way how we can change location on Tantan also. And the second option here is distance. You can see it lets you choose how far you want to explore on Tantan. I just keep it to 100 plus kilometer, and this is the expand search area, that's third option. I just keep it on so that it will expand my search area on Tantan. And you can see here the fourth option is show me. That means either you can see women only or men, or both men and women. I just select women only. And the fifth option here is very important, that is it lets you select the age range of people that you want to see on Tantan. Okay, and the sixth option here is you can hide your last seen status, but it's only available for premium users. Okay, that's okay. Let's go to the app settings now. Personal information tab here. Now we can customize our name, birthday, or emoji here, but the gender option can't be customized. Let's go to privacy and permission, and then you can customize your privacy settings as per your wish. Okay, let's go back, and if I go to notification and chat, it gives you 2 customizations. You can customize them if you like. Okay, let's go back, and data and storage, you can choose whether you want to autoplay your videos on Wi-Fi or on cellular network, or just turn it off. I'll just place it on Wi-Fi. Okay, I select Wi-Fi, and you can also clear the cache sometimes if you like. Okay, and the last option, that is account and security, lets you update your password, and you can also deactivate or delete your Tantan account. Go back. Okay, this is all, and you can use 2 accounts at the same time by using this switch account option. Okay, let's go back to the Tantan main page, that is the swipe page, and you just keep on swiping right more to get more matches. You can see here I already have got match now, and keep swiping. And the key to get more matches on Tantan is that you have to keep your profile photos very high. Okay, that's all about the Tantan app on how to use it. Thanks for watching, guys. That's the way how we can use Tantan app properly. I tried to cover all the important points in such a short time. Okay, if you found this video very useful, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll be coming up with new videos like this very soon. So until next time, peace, bye.